Myself Arko Profession, and I am from IIT Hyderabad Chemistry Department. So today we will solve the General Aptitude part of the GATE 2024. Okay, then let's start. So we can see the first question that if that denotes that the increase in order of the intensity, then the meaning of the words. Then the first series is sick, infirm, moribund, and the second one is silly, and these are fill in the blanks and the daft. Okay, the first sick means it's not that much intense, means illness or something. The student is very sick in the you can see like this. And infirm, when you have to go to the hospitals or things, so it's a more intensified. And moribund, it's the last one, the most intensified word of the series, that is the at the point of death. Okay, so and then silly, sometimes it happens that you don't know the meaning of the word in the examination paper, so you have to remove the options. So let's start. The silly means it's very small mistake or something. Is did a very silly mistake, so it's a very small one. Okay, so not frown, the first option is frown is you know that there is a facial the facial impression, or like to show the sadness or the displeasure or like this. Fawn means it's a young deer. And vein is a blood vessel, so it doesn't relate to the silly. So last one, vein, is the useless, the meaning is useless, so it can be relatable to the silly. Okay, and a daft is more foolish things. He did a very daft thing. Okay, so it's a very foolish one, so our option is the D. Okay, so next question is the you can see that 15 parts of the given figure painted in such a way that no two adjacent part with shared boundaries excluding corners, means corner can be shared with same number of same color. Okay, and have same color. When no boundaries have the parts of that sharing boundaries who don't have the same color, the minimum number of colors can be required. So it can be done in two ways. Okay, the question is asked for the minimum number of colors. So let's start for the if you do the numbering the color from the outside the circle, so it can be done. So now we can start the 1 2 like number 1 color. Okay, you can say it's a red, R, it's a red and red. And now if these parts are doing the sharing the colors only, the same boundaries, so it can be blue, this can be blue, this can be blue, and this can be blue. So this part and this part sharing boundaries cannot be the same color, so it can be white, so this can be white, and this cannot be white, this cannot be white, so this can be red. This part and this part sharing corners, it can be possible the same color with same corners, red, and this can be also red. So now we have to fill up the inner circle. Okay, so it can be this white, this is white, and this is this can be blue, or can be yellow. This is the sharing the boundary, so it cannot be the same color. This can be orange. So total number is red, blue, or white, and orange and yellow. So number of color is 5 here. Okay, and but this question is asked for the minimum one, so you can try the more ways. So you can start now the to fill the circle, inner circle first. Okay, so now if you do the circle, now it is red. Okay, now it is blue, and if it is blue, and it can be green, or this, if it is red or something, this can be white, this can be green, this can be again white, this can be again green, or this cannot be green, or this can be blue. Okay, so now you have 3 colors: green, blue, and you have 4 colors: green, blue, red, and white. Now you have to fill up the outer part. Okay, the outer part can be, this can be red, this can be red, this can be read, this also can be read. So this part can be read. So now it is blue, this is blue, this is blue, this is blue. Okay, now you can see we need only 4 colors to fill up the circles. Okay, now the minimum, this is the minimum number, so it is the 4 will be our answer. So now the next question you can say how many 4-digit numbers positive integers can be divisible by 3 and formed by only this 5 digits. So for this we have to know the permutation combination rule. This can be the NCR. N is the first thing. We have, like you can see, the 4 spaces we have to fill, and the number is 1, 3, 4, 6 and 7. Okay, so these are 5 digits. We have to fill the 4 digits. So you have to, what is the number of total number of combination? It is the 5, C and 4. That is 5 factorial by 4 factorial and 5 minus 4 factorial. This is 48. Okay, you can calculate this one. It is 48. 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Okay, and that's why you can also do the 4 factorial. So this is 48. So sorry, no, not 48. Okay, I did wrong. So this is only this is 5 factorial by 4 factorial. This is 5 factorial, 5, only 5 ways. So 5 number of 5 possible way it can be done. So it can be 1, 3, 4, 6. It can be 1, 3, 4, 7. It can be 1, 3, 7, 6. It can be 1, 7, 4, 6. It can be 7, 3, 4 and 6. And to divisible by 3, we have to know the rule of divisible by rule, and this is can be that the sum of the digit of that number should be divisible by 3. So we have to sum, that is 4 plus 6 is 10 and is 14. 14 cannot be divisible by 3, so it cannot be possible. And 7 plus 4 plus 3, this is 15, so it can be divisible. And 1 plus 3, and this is 17. This also cannot be possible. And this is 7 plus is 18. It is also divisible by 3. And 7 plus 3 and 4 plus, this is 20. This is also cannot be possible. So our possible number is 134547 and 1746. These 2 digits can be possible, but you have to know the combinations. You have to know, because 1347, this is the how many positive numbers is possible. So by this 4 digit, it is 4 factorial, and this also 4 factorial. So total number is 4 factorial and 4 factorial, that is 2 into 4 factorial, that is 48. Okay, so 48 will be our answer. And you can see the sum. The next question is the sum of the infinite series. So by looking at this series, you can see that this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 8, this is 1 by 16. So this can be a geometric series, not the arithmetic series. Okay, so for this we have to know this rule. This is A is equal to A into A 1 minus r to the power n and 1 minus r. What is r? R is the common ratio, and n is the how many numbers are there in that series, and first is the a is the first digit of the first number of that series. So here you can see that there is a 2 series. One is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and 1 by 16, and this is infinite. And next one is 1 by 3, 1 by 9 and 1 by 27 and infinite one. So you have to know if the sum of this series is 1 by 2, this is the first one, and 1 minus r. What is the r? Is the minimum ratio. Minimum ratio of this series r will be 1 by 4 by 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. Okay, so that is 1 by 2, and n is the number of how many numbers are there in the series. So that is infinite, so that is to the power infinite, and 1 minus 2. So 1 by 2 to the power infinite is 1 by 2 to the power infinite, that is tends to 0. So this part is 0. So it can be done 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 by 2. So this is cut, this 1, and the next series is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 and dot dot. So first digit is s is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by here the minimum ratio is 1 by 9 by 1 by 3, 1 by 9 by 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3. So minimum ratio to the power infinite, because infinite series, and 1 minus 1 by 3. So this is also 0. So 1 by 3 into this is 2 by 3 and 1. So it is 1 by 2 by 2. So now that the total sum is 2 plus, because 2 is there, and the first series is 1 and the second series result is half. So this is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2, the B answer is our correct answer. Okay. So the next one. So it is done that in an election the share valid votes of the received are the 4 candidates A, B and C and D, and it is the pie chart. It is the written the shares of vote shares, and it is written that the total number of votes is 1,15,000, and from which of that the 5,000 is invalid. So it is asked that based on the provided the total number of vote received by B and C. So we have to know that what is the total number of votes that is accumulated in B and C. Okay. So for this we have to know what is the total number of valid votes. Valid votes is there. So valid vote will be 1,15,000 minus 5,000, that is 1,10,000. Okay, this is the valid votes. So the B is 25%. So 25% means B shares 25%. 0.25, 25%. So that is okay, that is done, and this is 27500, and C vote share is 20%, that is 10 into 0.20. So that is this one. So that is 22,000. So total number of votes of B and C is 27,500 and 22,000. So that is 594. So 49500. So this will be our answer. So next question is the 1,000 years ago. This is a essay question, so you have to, based on this question, you have to know what is our correct answer. So this is the 1,000 years ago, and some people began some dairy farming, and this coincide that the number of this coincide with a number of mutation in a particular gene that resulted in these people developing the ability to digest the dairy milk. And these people begin dairy farming. This is our answer question. So based on this, what is the question? All human beings can digest the dairy milk. So it cannot be the most possible answer, because it here says that some people begin the dairy farming, not the all people dairy. So it cannot be our answer. So no human can digest because some people can digest dairy milk. So it also cannot be possible. The digestion of milk is essential for the human beings. It is not also the correct answer. So next question, next answer is in human beings digestion of dairy milk resulted from the mutated gene. So this can be our right answer. So because we can see that the dairy milk, the digestion of dairy milk is can be done from the mutation of gene. Okay. So next question, the probability of a boy or a girl being born is half. Okay, for family having only 3 children, what is the probability having 2 girl and one boy. So you can see the chance of a boy and a girl is half. So we have to know the all the possibilities, what is the total number of possibilities. So it can be like done like this, like B is denoted the boy and girl is for G. So it can be 3 boys, it can be 2 boy 1 girl. So this is the way and this is the way. So now it can be 2 girls and 1 boy, 2 girls 1 boy, and girl boy girl and boy, and the last one is girl. 3 girls are there. So it asks that 2 girls and 1 boy. So we have to count the what is the possibilities of 2 girls. So number of chances. So that is, this is 2 girls 1 boy, this is 2 girls 1 boy, and this is also 2 girls. So out of 8, this is number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So out of 8 possibilities, only 3 possibilities are there where 2 girls born and 1 boy born. Okay, so the total possibility or probability in this for this is 3 by 8, because out of 8, 3 are in the most possible way. So our answer is 3 by 8. Okay, so our next question is the person 1 and person 2 invest the 3 mutual fund A, B and C. Okay, so the amount of they invest in this table, that person 1 is mutual fund 10,000, 20,000 and 20,000 in A, B, C respectively, and person 2 is 20,000, 15,000, 50,000. Okay, so at the end of the 1 year, total amount that person 1 gets is 500 rupees more than the person 2. The annual rate of B and C is 15% each. Okay, and what is the annual rate of A, that is asked. So let say annual rate of A, that is X percentage. Okay, so B and C for person 1, for B it is 20,000 he invested, and also in B 20,000 he invested. So B plus C you can do, that is also 15,000 each. So 20,000 into 0.1 15%, and plus for C 20,000 into 0.15, that is, for here 3,000, here 3,000, so that is 6,000. Okay, and for A it is just X percentage, so it is 10,000 into 0.0x, that is 100x. So total amount is getting from the mutual funds person 1 is, total amount is that is 20, 20 and 10. Is it 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 100x, that is 56,000 plus 100x. And person 2 is for B and C, that is 15,000 into 0. It is also 15%, 0.15 plus 15,000 into 0.15, that is, from here it is 2250 and here 2,250. So all total is 4,500. Okay, and from A it invested in the A mutual fund A, it is 20,000. So for A it is 20,000 into 0.0x, that is 200x. Okay, the total amount is, then he is getting from the all mutual funds, total amount, that is 15,000, 30,000, that is 20. It is also 50,000 plus 4,500 plus 200x, that is 54 plus 200x. So now it's getting, the A is getting 500 more in than B, sorry, from person number 2, person 1 is getting 500 more than person 2. So from the equation you can say that 56,000 plus 100x minus 54,500 plus 200x is equal to 500 is more getting. So from the equation, if you solve this one, x will be 10. So our answer will be the B answer, 10%. The annual rate is A for A. So next question is the 3 different views of the dice. Right, this is first 3 views. So what is the if the piece of paper can be folded in dice, what is the, now from the first picture you can see that 5 4 1, left side is 4 and right side is, this is left side, this is right side. So 5 4 1. So this is here, you can, the next picture the 4 is in the top side. So and the left side of the 4 is 5. So if it is left, it is right, so it can be 5, it can be 5. Okay, and then 5 right side of the 5 is 1 in the first picture. So it can be, if the 5 is, this can be 1, so this can be 1, this can be 1, and 4 right side means right side of the 4 is 1, so it can be 1. And in the third picture you can see that 5 have 5's left side 6 is there, 6 is 5 left, so it in the 6 is left and the 2 is and 2 is above the 5, so 2 is above the 5, so this can be 2 in the above side. So if the options are there, you can see that it started with 5 and last with 3. All the started with 5 and last here the started with last with 3. This is 3 and 6 and 2. So first we start with 5. So 5, and if it is there 5, okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is 5. Okay, the next one is 4 1, so this can be 1. So now you can see that this can be 1, it can be 3, or it can be 4, or it can be 5. 5 is 1, that it can be 4 or it can be 3. Now let's start with 4. So it can be 4, and then it is come 6. Now it is here 3 2 is just bottom of this here, it is not the correct way to assign, it is here 2 is just bottom of the dice of the second picture. Okay, so now it is 6, then it comes to 2, and just you can see the 3 is just opposite the 5, so now it is 3. So now we can see the options, the 5 1 2 3, the first one is our answer. Okay, you can check the other options also yourself, but here you can try try other ways, but this is our answer. Okay, so last question is the visualize two identical right angular cones, okay, that such that is inverted and over the other, and it has a common base. Okay, this is two cones and this is a common base, like this one. This is a cone and another cone is this one. Okay, this is the common base. These two cones are there, and if a cutting plane passes through the vertex of two assembled cones, this is one vertex, the another vertex, okay, and the shape of the outer boundary. So if a plane cuts these two cones, like this is a plane, and it is, you can imagine like this, and here the cut through the halfway of the cones. So what will be the our structure you are getting? You can say, so this is the one we are getting. So what is this structure? All the sides are same because the right circular cones, and all the right sides means two are the same identical cones, and so this is the all the sides will be the same of these two cones. And so this is not a triangular, this is not a ellipse, this is not a hexagon, this is a rhombus. These are the answer. Okay, thank you.